Assalamualaikum. My name is Radatun Nazirah binti Azmi. My matric number 09DFP19F100A. I'm from DFP 4B, and this is present for Encik Muhammad Fainuddin bin Anwar and Encik Nurul Aini binti Muhammad Ramli. So this is my brief project for Desert Girl Spring Summer 2022. The objective is to liven up the design by applying the characteristic of Labu Sayong, like cut-out technique to my design. So the term that I choose is gift of nature. I choose this term because, as we know, Labu Sayong is made from clay taken from Kuala Kangsar. Its manufacturing process also requires sufficient water, as well as warm air is also required for the condensation process to take place. The condensation process takes place in order to cool the water in the Labu Sayong. So the concept is high tea, and the target market is teenagers who has age between 20 to 25 and has median income 3,000 to 8,000 monthly. This is my inspiration. I choose Labu Sayong because I think it quite attractive to make it into design. Color forecasting that I choose is Desert Gold 2030, and the color that I use is Silvery Copper, Burnished Brandy, and also Trichon Black. Next is analytical drawing. We have front view, back view, and also the motif that we can find at Labu Sayong. Example like siku keluang, pucuk rebung, and bunga keduduk. We also have up and down view for Labu Sayong. This is my company board. I make a collaboration with Waji Ibrahim, located at Taman Bukit Dahlia, Pasir Gudang, Johor. This is my trend board. So the design that I use and show at this board is related with the shape of Labu Sayong. Next is storyboard. At this storyboard, the color that I use is Silvery Copper, Burnished Brandy, and also Trichon Black, and I apply to my concept, which is high tea. Next is mood board. In the mood board, the fabric that I use is cotton and also satin. Next is fabric board. The fabric that I use is Duchess satin and also Japanese cotton. Next is sample board. The technique that I use is cut out technique, and industry we call it laser cut technique. This technique I will apply at my design. This is my 20 design lineup. This is my 3 final design. This is first design, illustration for front and back, and this is technical drawing. At the dress we have a round neck, sleeveless, also sprayed zipper, which is length 15, and also wrap skirt length 24 inch. Have hook and bar, also invisible zip 8 inch. This is second design, illustration front and back. And for the technical drawing, we have blouse length 16 inch and has round neck and also invisible zip. For the skirt length is 25 inch and also have hook and bar, also invisible zip. This is a third final illustration design, front and back. And for the technical design, We have bolero jacket, length 12 inch, and also cocon dress, front length 40, and also back length 46. And also we have invisible zip 24 inch. Thank you.